that we want. Wanna fight no more, wanna fight no more. Yeah, what you really play. One day, one day, one day,
One day, man.
one day, one day, Mondays, Tuesdays. It's not about we won't lose, cause we always will repeat the source of innocent purpose, baby.
So, musta po yung ano? Yung ngayon lang nag-post ng ano, ng trippings nila sa ibang
Kulang pa
bansa.
din, kulang pa. Hindi ko pa nabubuhay yung iba.
Credit pa ata.
Kayo, mamaya 12 midnight.
Ikaw boss, kailangan po ano, magpo-post. Ng bagong profile picture.
Hoy! Oh, update pa.
Next year. So ano pa yun eh, yung profile mo na yun? Lukit nun, di ba?
Turn around because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't.
So ano po yung pakiramdam ng nagagamit na yung keyboard nyo sa busking?
Good.
Okay lang po, okay
Okay
lang.
lang po. Salamat po sa accommodation.
Thank you, thank you. So ano po ang pakiramdam ng mala Robins Padilla yung fashion natin ngayon?
Robin Padilla.
Has.
Bini Colette.
Bini
Colette.
Ano po masasabi nyo sa bias na Bini Stacy versus Bini Aya? Sino ang pinaka-the best? Sino ba talaga?
Stacy, bias record ko si Queen Stacy. If Aya is the best, hindi siya ma-wreck ni Stacy. Kasi na-wreck siya ni Stacy, so Aya is not the best. Pero Gwen is still at the top because so far, Gwen has no bias record. Gwen is my bias record.
Papi, narinig mo si Gwen daw ang kanyang bias. Ang on the top. Ano masabi ni Bini Stacy
Cherry
doon?
on top! Cherry on top!
Cherry on top na nag-flop.
Cherry nag-flop!
Ay, sorry.
Yes.
Papi,
Uy, yun! Yung may kiss.
Huwag mo nang ang katotohanan. Hindi ko kakayanan iyong umasahan. Ang pag-ibig never, there'll be no other. We'll share as lovers, right from the heart, from my mind to soul. I'll give it to you, girl. Hirap naman ito. My every little thing that I wanted, really, I will give to you. Forever starts from now, I promise you. Loving you is all that I can do.
ikaw to music. 1, 2, 3, go. Pre, nalakas. Di ba pigil? Tabi, kunwari ano? Transition check. Uy, papasko na agad ang aming papi.
Coming up, but in suddenly I realize songs can really be destructive. It's like the lion turning me to ashes. will I stand? If I had to stay in the dark where you at, I'll be asking about you, the people around me. Where did you go? To the city you built, all the forest and slowly disappeared. Where did you go? Where did you go? Isn't even a question, no. Where did you go? Where did you go? I won't ask anymore, 'cause it's why did you go? Why did you go? Oh.